As you guys may or may not know, I am relaunching my clothing brand SVOSVA, and the date of the first drop is scheduled for early September, which is really exciting. And that drop is going to be the archive drop. It's pretty much family favorites, t-shirts that I know performed well in the past. The second drop is going to be called the Foundation Collection. That is the name that I'm kind of playing around with now, and I'm taking a big risk with this collection because I am stripping it all the way back. The Foundation Collection is going to be 4 plain staple t-shirts that you can have as part of your wardrobe for a long time. Why am I doing this? Why am I going for such a simple product? I want to feed into that customer retention. I want to be the brand that is known as the brand that you come to when you want a good quality basic garment. And I believe that I have actually created a great fitting boxy t-shirt. I also know that my t-shirt is high quality, and in all honesty, who doesn't need a great plain t-shirt? Now, because these t-shirts are so simple, the way I present this drop is paramount, and this is where Kittl comes in. Kittl is a web-based design platform focused on making high quality visuals quickly, and it's been over a year since I last used Kittl, so I'm quite excited to see some of the new features that it has at the moment. And I also want to take this opportunity to thank Kittl for sponsoring this video. Now, for this launch, I'm going to be tying in my background of education, the education that I haven't really utilized. For those of you that may not know, I am a mechanical engineering graduate, and I want to tie this engineering kind of clinical, technical side to the assets that I create for SVOSVA moving forward. So as you can see, we are now on the Kittl platform, and I've already logged in, and I can already see that there are some new features such as the AI hub, and I don't believe back in the day you could do like videos on here, so that is quite exciting. I already have an idea of exactly what it is that I want to create on Kittl today. I think I'm going to focus on a video that I'm going to be using on social media. So as you can see here, there are some ideas as to what kind of videos I could create. I really like the look of this video, and definitely when I'm creating assets for my archive collection, I'm going to utilize this sort of template. So I'm going to click here where it says new project, and I'm going to click here where it says social, and I'm going to click here where it says Instagram stories so it can give me the correct aspect ratio, and click create. As you can see here, it has some ideas as to what I could create for my Instagram story. Over here is where I can add text, illustrations. This is really good because as you can see, there's some like mock-ups for clothing. This would be really good, say if you wanted to use Kittl to create a tech pack for your clothing brand. You could literally just grab one of these, change the color to match the color that you want it to be, add your logo on there, and that is already like a mock-up for a t-shirt. But that is not what we're here to do today. We've got the AI gallery, we've got some mock-ups, so say if you're designing something completely new, you can see what it would look like. So I am gonna go ahead and actually upload my plain garment, and that is what that looks like. This image actually has a background, so say if I was to apply a color to the background, you will see that this is white. So I'm gonna click this, and I'm gonna click here where it says remove background, and it should perfectly remove the background for me. Let me keep it white, and then we can go from there. So what I actually want to do with this t-shirt is generate a video, and over here I can actually pop in my prompt, and what I want this t-shirt to do is to actually rotate. I'm going to click generate, and fingers crossed it's going to generate into exactly what I am imagining for this asset. If we zoom in, it's given us like a time as to how long it's going to take to actually generate this video. I'm quite nervous. We have 20 seconds left until we see what Kittl has created. Okay, let's click play. Oh wow, that is actually quite good. My t-shirt is rotating on a chain. There's the shadow. It's literally everything that I wanted it to be, and I'm so pleased with that. I want to add some text, and I want that to be centered, and I want to say probably something like the foundation. I want it to almost look like it's what do you call it, proof you know, when you haven't paid for your school pictures. I want it to be like in a color you could just about see. And now let's play. Let me play. Yes, that is perfection. That is so good. And the thing is, I could actually use that on my website, like as a video on my website. That is so good. It's plain, it's clinical, it's definitely going with the vibe that I want for my clothing brand moving forward. I always knew that the vibe that I wanted for the assets for my foundation collections were going to be clean, minimalistic, and as you can see, Kittl has actually managed to take the thoughts that I had based on the prompt that I've put in their AI generator and has managed to come up with something that resembles exactly what I was looking for. The shadows, the rotating garment on a chain, it's just understood the assignment perfectly, and I'm really impressed. So I'm definitely going to be utilizing Kittl a lot when it comes to creating assets, content for my social media and for my website page moving forward. Obviously, originally this was meant to be for social media, but now I'm going to be using that on my website. And I didn't realize that down here you can actually change the aspect ratio for the video that you end up generating. So obviously, if I wanted to generate a video for TikTok, I would want to click this aspect ratio here and then enter my prompt accordingly. When I was thinking about different assets that I was going to create for my clothing brand, I actually had no idea how I was going to achieve it. But now I know exactly how I'm going to achieve it. I'm going to be using Kittl. Like, I feel like I'm gonna absolutely almost abuse this platform because I am really impressed. I've got a few more ideas as to different things that I'm gonna be creating using Kittl, so stay tuned. I'm gonna be sharing those very soon. I'm gonna record it and share exactly how I'm creating those using Kittl. Straight off the bat, Kittl has brought my idea to life. I'm going to have Kittl linked in my description, so if you want to give it a try, design something on the platform, definitely give it a go. There's so much on here to explore, and you can literally just add your logo, add your text, and you're pretty much like good to go. I mean, look at this video. I'm gonna have so much fun. Thank you guys so much for clicking to watch this video. I really hope you have enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm gonna have Kittl linked in the description, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in my very next video.